Question 3. The quadratic equation has roots -2 and 6. Find the values of h and k. Alright, so here they gave us roots -2 and 6. So from here we can find the sum of roots and product of roots. So the sum of roots will be -2 plus 6, which is 4. And the product of roots will be -2 times 6, which is -12. Okay, so from this equation, we know sum of roots will be -b over a. And product of roots is usually c over a. This is the formula lah. Okay, so b is h, a is 1, c is k, a is 1. Therefore, h is -4 and k is -12. Done. So our h is -4, k is -12. Okay, this is question A. Let's look at question B. H was -4 and k -12. B. Range of values of c such that this equation has no real roots. No real roots means b square minus 4ac would be lesser than 0. Okay, so let's write this equation. X squared plus hx plus k equals to c. Let's sub the h and k value since we already found it. Minus 4x minus 12 minus c equals to 0. So from here, our a is 1, our b is -4, and our c is this whole thing, -12 minus c. So we just put this in the equation, b square minus 4ac less than 0. So b square minus 4ac less than 0. This is 16. -4 times -12 will be plus 48. -4 times -c will be plus 4c. Okay, so 16 plus 48 is 64. 64 plus 4c less than 0. 4c is less than -64. Therefore, c is less than -64 divided by 4, which is -64 divided by 4 is -16. So range of c will be less than -16. That's it.